Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. The day has finally arrived. Koda and I are getting ready to ride the Skyliner for the very first time. She's not excited. I'm very excited. I've given it a little while because, you know, as most of you guys know, a week after it opens, they had a little bit of an accident. You know, the Skyliners crashed into each other in one of the stations at Caribbean Beach, or was it at the Riviera? I don't know. One of the stations where the Skyliners crashed into each other. Nothing's happened since. The Skyliner was closed down for a little while, but today is the first time that we are riding these suckers, and we are going to head from Epcot over to Hollywood Studios. I'm super excited. Again, Koda's not. She's dying on the inside. She really doesn't want to go. Oh, look, it's Squirt. It's the Finding Nemo gondola. Anyways, let's head on over. I'm super excited. Let's go. Another thing that I want to mention, I went to the bathroom before we came over here. We have snacks in our bag and something to drink. So, if there is an extended downtime for whatever reason, we're okay. We're okay. We're covered. But yeah, we're in the station. Going quick. Relatively short line, so I'm super excited. It's gonna be fun.
So much fun already. I can't get my arm out.
You're gonna be okay.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Epcot International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Wow.
We hope you enjoyed your visit to Epcot and World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
Hola.
Special place for this.
It's actually quite breezy in here. I like this.
The stupid vent things around.
I know. And it's a little bit cooler of a day, but still, it's nice.
Soon we'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas. This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening.
Slow turning.
Yeah, whipping in here.
Pivot.
This is the park venue if anything happens. Captain sitting
Which lemming am I?
Is there one eating?
Yeah.
I will say though, if we are moving like not with the wind, like we got a lot better breeze going the opposite direction, and now that we're coming this way.
It's got a speed limit sign.
It's a service road.
Yeah,
Anyways, there's not much of a breeze going this way, which is really weird. We do have side panels over here on this side, but nothing coming over here. I guess the wind's blowing that way.
Thank you for flying with us.
This is where it happens. This is where it happens. Seriously though, what happened was one of these gondolas came in hot and bam, the broken glass and everything. Getting off here. Oh, okay, bye.
We're going to Caribbean Beach.
Now we have the gondola to ourselves. It's a lot of room in here for activities.
Woo, we're off. Look at us go. So there's running past
R2, light speed to indoor.
No, we gotta get off and get on a different one. What the hell you're talking about? I'm gonna go sit on this side.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner.
Yes!
Riviera Resort, a Disney Vacation Club resort. If you are
Come on, BB, let's go over here.
we are on our way.
Do I stink?
Yes.
Just trying to balance us out.
To Disney's Hollywood Studios, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
This is really nice.
Bon voyage.
See, now we're getting a lot more of the breeze.
We are about to go ice shopping
Jesus.
at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Wow.
The hell was that?
I think I'm gonna leave that in.
The whole build-up.
You're nasty.
Fuck on the forks! Look at me, he's all like, ah! That's me.
And now we're going down. Whee!
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise
I know, right?
collect your belongings and
Fucking airplane
thank
landing.
you for flying.
It does. Yay!
Take your backpack.
I am. Alright, that wasn't bad. And we have made it to the Caribbean Beach Transfer Station. Ooh, look at that. Gondolas. Now, are we allowed to take a picture with those and kind of go clink together? Like, I really want to. They probably won't let us though. But anyways, it's still really nice. Now, just a straight shot over to Hollywood Studios. It's like we're getting Guardians of the Galaxy. Thank you. Whoops. All right, for real this time. Light speed to indoor.
Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders of all ages, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Really nice breeze in here. Really nice. You enjoying it? It's not that bad. Your droid's struggling with his head. Peasants.
Before you walk the red carpet,
No, these
remember
people
to
walking.
double-check your FastPass Plus
Not as cool as we are.
using your My Disney Experience mobile app. You can also view your star-studded itinerary at a FastPass Plus kiosk when we arrive.
Hey, look, I was just over there.
Yep. Yeah, I love how your droid's just chilling.
Ladies, gentlemen, and members of the Academy, welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Are they wearing?
They're wearing Jedi robes.
Oh, okay, the one in black I thought was a Harry Potter robe and I got really confused.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open.
All right.
When exiting
We're going
the
down,
cabin,
beginning our
please
descent.
supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
All right, moment of truth.
Por favor, permanezcan
Again.
sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la
Brakes,
cabina,
where are the brakes?
pequeñitos, reúna sus pertenencias y observe sus pasos. Gracias por volar con nosotros.
Koda, I'm done. I'm done. Get me off of this thing. First and only time. All right, guys, you can't really see that. It says Skyliner. That is going to do it from us. Our first time ever riding the Disney Skyliner. That was a lot of fun. That was honestly a lot of fun. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It was quite comfortable, very, very smooth. It did bounce up and down a little bit, which was a little weird. But, you know, depending on the angle that you're going, the wind is not going to be on your side. So it is going to feel a little bit stale in there, for lack of better words. Like, there's not going to be too much airflow depending on which direction you're facing. But for the most part, it was a lot of fun, and there was a lot of air in there, and it was very smooth. Not as bad as I thought it was, as I thought it was going to be. Koda, honestly, what did you think?
Well, I just don't like sky rides.
But yet, she's got no problem going on the slingshot. She's got no problem with those. But this, she's like, hell no.
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
I had to.
Okay, so if she had to, she would do it again. So, it's not bad. It's honestly not bad. If you have a fear of heights, it might mess with you a little bit, because you can get pretty high up there. You can get pretty high up there, but all in all, very, very fun ride. Highly recommend it to anybody. It's definitely worth doing at least once, just for the experience. So anyways, thank you guys Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new. Ring that bell, get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.